Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn English with Faisal Hamid. Today we are going to talk about common errors in English, and today's lecture will be on five preposition errors, and it is part 3. First one is angry at or angry on. Never say I'm angry on the noise or she was angry on the situation. See, the noise and the situation both are not persons. There is certain difference when you are talking about persons, then preposition is different. When you're talking about things or situation, or these are mostly, see, abstract nouns. So there you will use different preposition. So it will be, I am angry at the noise. She was angry at the situation. Next one is angry with or angry on. Never say she was angry on her brother for breaking her phone, or the teacher was angry on the students for making noise. See, after preposition, we have person, her brother, the student. So here it will be different. But remember, if you are using British English, then you are going to apply this rule. For American English, there is slight difference. With persons, you can also use at as you used at with things, but in British, you have to distinguish. So there in British English, you cannot use at with persons. The best option is angry with. So always say she was angry with her brother for breaking her phone, or the teacher was angry with the students for making noise, because usually we people follow British English. So for us, the best choice is angry with when you are talking about when we are talking about people, persons. And next one is, again, it can confuse you, that is anxious. Here, anxious about or anxious for. We can use about and for both, but same as we talked about angry at or angry with. Here, you will also find the difference. When you are talking about being anxious and the meaning is worried or troubled, then you have to use anxious about, not anxious for. So never say the drought has made farmers anxious for the harvest, but always say the drought has made farmers anxious about the harvest. They are troubled about it. They are worried about it. So, anxious about. Next one is anxious about or anxious for. When you want to say that you are eager to do something, then it will be anxious for, not anxious about. So never say developing countries that are anxious about hard currency can really afford to protect the environment. Always say developing countries that are anxious for means they want to do something. For hard currency can really afford to protect the environment. I hope you have understood the difference between anxious about and anxious for. Next one is confidence in or confidence on. Never say, I have confidence on her ability to lead the team, or you should build confidence on your own skills, especially Urdu speaking uh, people translate it from Urdu into English. So they usually say confidence on, but in reality, it is not confidence on. You should always say, I have confidence in her ability to lead the team. Or you should build confidence in your own skills. I hope you have understood these 5 preposition errors and you will not commit these errors in your speaking or even in your writing. So ensure it. I want you to write sentences in comment section. Thank you for watching.